Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today I want to take about 10 minutes of your time to talk about an exciting investment opportunity we have right now at Standpoint. This isn't just another startup pitch. What we're offering is a real operating business with traction, a clear roadmap, and a mission to become a major player in Canada's fashion industry. At the end of this presentation, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly. We're open, transparent, and excited to welcome the right partners. Let me begin with a bit about who we are and what we do. We launched Standpoint in Vancouver back in 2023 as a startup studio. The goal was simple: find niche market opportunities, test them fast, and turn them into scalable businesses. Our process is proven and efficient. We research niche markets, build business plans and MVPs, launch self-funded pilots, get proof of concept, raise capital, and finally build and lead operational teams to scale the venture. We don't consult, we build. In the last 2 years, we've touched multiple industries: e-commerce, manufacturing, tech, sports, medical, and most recently fashion. One of our flagship projects, Radonics, focused on industrial automation, already received a letter of support from the Canadian government. Let's dive into today's opportunity: fashion. Since January 2025, our team has spent over 1,000 hours researching the North American fashion market. We've met with more than 30 boutique owners, mentors, and industry experts to validate our assumptions. What we found was a clear gap. There's growing demand for affordable, boutique-style women's dresses in Canada, but very few brands truly deliver on both uniqueness and price. This gap is even more pronounced now, given the current tariff issues affecting American marketplaces, along with a rising trend toward choosing well-designed, affordable dresses over expensive branded labels. That's the opportunity we're going after. Here's what the numbers show. The Canadian women's apparel market was worth $45 billion CAD in 2024, and it's growing at a compound annual rate of 2.36%. Within that, the boutique and affordable fashion segment is already $16.5 billion. Now compare that with the US market at $432 billion. That's nearly 10x larger. This confirms two things: the Canadian market is healthy, and the US offers enormous expansion potential. Now let me show you what we've done in just 6 months. We registered our company and set up full e-commerce infrastructure. We designed, photographed, and listed over 200 original fashion items. On social media, we've reached more than 50,000 views per month organically on TikTok and Instagram. We listed over 300 items on Amazon CA, and we're already seeing sales. We've also launched a local warehouse in Vancouver, and most importantly, signed an exclusive contract with our sister company in Turkey, an 120-person operation handling our sourcing and bulk production. This gives us a powerful cost advantage without compromising on quality. Let's take a look at some real data. Our website received over 1,000 unique visitors in the first month, mostly from organic search. TikTok and Instagram are now reaching over 50,000 views per month, and sales have already started on both Faircom and Amazon. These are not projections. These are real, live numbers. And we're happy to show any investor our dashboards in real time. we're raising $100,000 Canadian dollar to move into our growth phase and expand across Canada and North America. This will fund the launch of our first wholesale store in Vancouver's FX building, a central hub for fashion distribution in Western Canada. Holding inventory locally will allow us to offer fast shipping and better service to retailers. We'll build a dedicated team for sales and marketing and run targeted outreach to boutique owners and sellers using pre-collected market data. We'll also invest in professional content creation to boost visibility on TikTok, Instagram, and Google. Funds will also support inventory restocking, trademark and legal protection, and logistics and admin costs. Most importantly, we're planning a strong presence at major trade shows like Toronto Market Week, Metro Trade Show, and Fashion Exchange Vancouver to connect with top-tier buyers and grow our wholesale network. In return for the investment, we're offering 20% equity for $100,000 CAD, tied to clear performance milestones. Our year one revenue is projected between $125K to $150K with a strong 55% net margin. By year two, we forecast $450,000 in revenue, which brings our valuation to an estimated $500,000 after 1 year, and potentially up to $1 million by the end of year two. This sets the stage for a full ROI of 72 to 118% within 24 to 30 months. To back this with confidence, we've structured a performance-based equity model. If we hit $125,000 and above revenue in year one, the investor receives 20% equity. If revenue lands between $60,000 and $125,000, equity increases to 33%, giving additional protection. And if revenue falls below $60,000, the investor has the option to re-evaluate terms. This structure shows our confidence in the numbers and gives the investor both upside and security. Let's talk about the future. In the first 6 months, we'll open our physical store, build a core team, and expand across BC. By months 7 to 12, we'll expand across Canada and the US, attending major trade shows and onboarding wholesale clients. In the second year, we have 2 exciting projects. First, after identifying a gap in Canada's affordable fashion market, we plan to launch a Canadian marketplace for boutique fashion brands. Think of it as Canada's version of Shein. This will allow brands from around the world to list their products and sell in Canada. For this, we'll raise a second round of funding. And the second option, we would launch our own in-house retail label with full design and brand control. We'll expand our collections and prepare for national distribution. We are still researching these 2 ideas for the second year, but one thing is clear. There is a strong market gap in Canada for an affordable fashion marketplace, and we aim to fill it. So why is this a low-risk investment? Because we've already done the hard part. We've built the infrastructure. We've invested over $20,000 of our own money. We've proven that people are buying. We've validated pricing, sourcing, fulfillment, and marketing. This isn't a seed idea. It's a working business that's ready to scale. To close, I want to thank you for your time. We're looking for committed partners who want to build something real and scalable in a market with proven demand. We're open to deeper conversations, sharing our business plan, and walking through any part of the model in detail. Let's build something big together. Thank you.